action! We're in Venice right now.
Yeah.
We've been shooting Despacito. It was really fun. She was dancing, I was jumping. So,
Yeah, very athletic
really
all
funny.
around.
What up, suckers? We're at YouTube Rewind.
We are at YouTube Rewind and it's so lit.
We're doing like the dancing bit. I'm sweaty.
We fly in the air.
We're gonna be sent through the air. We're gonna dance around up there in the sky.
I'm scared of heights.
Okay.
I anticipate it'll be quite thrilling.
YouTube Rewind 2017.
Oh, nice.
That's my favorite part.
I literally got blasted in the back with so much snow, it almost made me fall over. Put a slide with me in front of us and we salt it. And then we get blasted with snow.
Sem roupa, vai ter que pegar o voo assim. Vão entregar slime. Eu nunca segurei slime na minha vida, eu não sei qual é a sensação.
Estamos en uno de los lugares más representativos de Río.
Pero fue muy divertido, había slime en el piso y haciendo eso y estando serio es demasiado complicado.
That's get slimy. It looks like.
Let's get real slimy, eh?
そうですね、だからちょっとあえて昼食を取らずになんか苦しいらしいんで。
何が起きてんだ？
耳が。
本当に
YouTube Rewind is one of the greatest videos ever.
They're gonna create something that can really represent 2017.
I did like 80 poses with this.
Every single person that you watch, it just literally brings them into one. And it's honestly just really special.
Action! Action!
I was born to fly.
See how long it will go.
It was good. I busted a few moves. I even dabbed a little.
Green screen, me, and put me into LA.
I feel like I'm a zombie, getting his hair done, getting contouring, getting my nails done.
I'm next level horrible.
We're about to run away from, I think, fake lava.
It's real, it's me, I'm exactly who I'm supposed to be.
It's my first one, first time ever, so I'm very excited.
Every year it just gets crazier and crazier.
Holla at your boy. Go!
We are on the rooftop doing a dance scene for YouTube Rewind.
What's up, squad? Logan Paul here.
Jake Paul, what's up, dude?
We are at the YouTube Rewind.
I'm so excited to be here. I'm in a very fabulous scene. I'm working alongside Poppy.
And Poppy.
And I'm so happy that YouTube Rewind features so many of the people that make YouTube YouTube.
YouTube Rewind!
YouTube Rewind 2017!
YouTube Rewind 2017!
YouTube Rewind!
YouTube Rewind!